Alright folks, this is a first for me. This is a 2016 Ford Escape. And the customer got the part number for the windshield off of the glass, and that pulls it up as having a rain sensor. You can see that little round thing right there in the glass. That's for the rain sensor. So we're fixing to change it. But what's funny is it has the rain sensor right there. There's the rain sensor. But the funny part is there's no wire to go to that rain sensor. This wire here plugs into the rearview mirror for whatever kind of sensor that is. I think that's an auto dimming little dot at the bottom. I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. See, there's a wire that plugs into that right there. So that's what plugs in here. And they put a rain sensor on the glass, but they didn't run any wires to that rain sensor. Crazy. Anyway, that's what you run into sometimes. We're going to put the same part number back in it, and we're going to switch that rain sensor over to the new windshield, but it's not going to work because there's no wires. Crazy.